quality, safety, health, environment. In tank storage, these aren't just goals, they are your mission 24/7.
We have a variety of customers where it is from the oil and gas industry or pharmaceutical industry, chemical, petrochemical industry, where we engage with EPCs, we engage with the OEM, we engage with the system builders.
We manage the invisible. Whether it's high vapor volatile liquids or flammable media, one leak can lead to oxidation, product loss, or catastrophic fire. This is about more than industrial loss. It's about product containment for our communities and the next generation.
So if media is not properly stored, then it can have the environmental impact due to the emissions. It will have the corrosion impact on their roof, on the surrounding equipment. Due to the corrosion, it can get spoiled.
Our product and sales teams work as one. We offer Fisher regulators that cut gas costs by 50% and Enardo arrestors with 3 times larger openings for easier maintenance.
Recently, we have won some projects in one of the terminals in Thailand. They had some accidental cases on which we discussed on the latest standard, and on those standards the requirement was completely new, and we had given them the optimized solutions that could convince them that this solution will have the long-term benefits for them.
We don't guess, we calculate. We show you the exact ROI on emission reductions and performance before we even start.
So in conclusion, it is about understanding the customer issues, understanding the application part of it, understanding the media, understanding the tank sizes, and giving them the optimized solutions after a lot of calculations on the venting, emissions, and the international standards.
We prioritize your critical apps so you don't have to. Emerson Total Tank Protection. We scratch your back like no one else.